Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be respraying the trunk lid and also the fenders. The trunk lid, reason being I missed the dent right there. So let's begin. There it is. That's a little overview as to how I clean the garage before I paint. So let's just get started on the painting. So as you know, there was a dent that I had missed on the trunk lid and I had to fix it. I was not gonna leave it like that. This car is gonna be in perfect condition, so I fixed it. Yeah, I did apply some black primer, which if I leave it like that and start spraying on top of that primer, it is going to change the color of this. But I'm going to apply some sealer to it so that it can match. Remember that this one was, there was some sealer applied. Now as for this, I'm glad that happened, that dent, because of this. When I was sanding to respray the trunk lid, I noticed something real small on the very edge, and it was rust. So I just decided to scrape it all down, weld the rust holes, and cover it up. I'm glad that happened, and it's a mistake on my part that it occurred. I didn't check correctly. I didn't check this trunk lid the way I needed to. That's why I missed that and I missed that. But this is the only item that I missed. I already rechecked the entire car just to make sure, and this is the only thing that I have missed. I'm glad about that. So we're gonna get it right. We're gonna respray it and get it right. We're gonna respray the inside also. Again, I'm gonna respray this. I'm gonna be applying some epoxy primer and go from there. Now the fenders were good. The only reason that I'm respraying them is that I did purchase a gallon more of paint for this car, and I did mix that gallon on the previous gallon, the original gallon that I had. So if I used the new gallon and continued, it wasn't gonna match. So I mixed it up. So I need to respray the whole thing again. That's the reason that I'm doing this. It is a mistake on my part. I should have gotten a little bit more paint, but hey, no biggie. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna do it right. So if you get some type of mistake like this, it's nothing to worry about. Just redo it. It's just paint, guys. We can resand it and respray it. It takes a little bit longer, but like me, I want to say a perfectionist, so I want this to look nice, and it is gonna look nice. As you're looking at the videos, the car is coming out beautiful. So let's just get to it. Wipe it down with some wax and grease remover, and let's start spraying. I have applied some epoxy primer to the bare metal areas. There's a little bit more than I anticipated. I already applied some primer there also. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna respray some sealer to the entire area. It's a little bit quicker for me. So I could apply just paint, blend some paint in those areas, and then just re-spray the entire panel, but it's a little bit more work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna reapply some sealer and just respray them. It'll be a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. So that's what we're gonna do. If you guys are wondering, the epoxy primer that I used is this one right here. Right there, guys. This is half a gallon of epoxy primer. So let's just wait, and you need to wait for at least an hour for this to dry before you can start applying some top coat. So let's just wait for an hour, come back, apply the sealer. There you go. Now I can start applying those coats of paint. Let's just mix it up and apply it. There it is, the first coat. Now, as you can see, it was a lot quicker, a lot better. Now, this is the first coat. Let me just wait 15 minutes in between each coat. Right now, it's 83 degrees in here, so it'll dry pretty quick. Let me just wait. I'll bring you back once all the 3 coats have been applied so that you can see it. But this is the way I fixed that mistake. There it is, 3 coats of the base and 1 coat of the control coat. Now, if you don't know what a control coat is, go back to my previous video, a couple of videos back, and I talk about what a control coat is. But there it is. Now we're gonna let it set for about 15 minutes, come back, start applying that clear. There it is, guys. Now it's perfect. I wasn't gonna let this ride go with dents. So there it is. Let's just wait those 15 minutes and apply the clear. The paint gun that I'm using, it's a Segola 4600 with a DVR base air cap with a 1.3 tip. That's for the paint. That's what I used for the sealer and the paint. Now I'm gonna change up the air cap for the clear. I'm gonna leave the 1.3 tip as is, but change the air cap. This is the air cap. It's a DVR Clear Pro, and I am using a 1.3 tip. Let's just mix up the clear and apply it. Now, how I have the gun set up, everything is open. Everything is open, wide open. And for the base, I'm using it at 29 psi. That's for the base. Now for the clear, with this air cap, I am bumping it up to 33 psi. So let's go. Another little tip or little trick that most painters do, I have my airflow going that way. Try to start the paint job from this end or from the end the farthest, and just work your way towards this end. That way everything is being carried out and it's not going to contaminate the part that you already painted. That's for the paint and for the clear. There it is, the first coat, and the dent is gone. All of this has been fixed. Really nice. Now, once we installed all the brand new chrome, brand new emblems, man, this car is gonna look sick. Really, really, really nice that this car is gonna be coming out. So, Midland, Texas, keep an eye for this car. It's coming to your city really, really soon. Nice. All right, guys, let me just wait for about 15 minutes, come back, apply 3 more coats of clear, which is going to be 4, and we'll be done with this. Then we'll have to get that flow coat going. And after everything's said and done, there it is. Dent is gone. That came out real nice. Perfect. There it is, guys. Now I'm still gonna flow coat. This was just for me to fix those issues, but that's it. And that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something as to how to fix some errors when you have an error. In my case, I just painted it. I just reshot it. But that's me. And that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Hit that thumbs up, and like always, share the video, like the video, and that's it, guys. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a great weekend, and have a great week. I'll see you next coming weekend for more of this 63. Thank you, and like always, God bless.